Thy kingdom come,
Yes.
thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Yeah.
God wants to see manifestations of heaven on earth through you. God wants to see the peoples of the world experiencing the reality of the kingdom of heaven through you.
Yes.
And so that's why government is important. So let's talk about verses 1 and 2.
Mm.
To be subject to them.
Mm.
You know, this can really confuse a lot of people.
Mm.
Because if it says be subject to them, and then you said in verse 3, but you don't have to be, but it says to be, one of the important things in the word is you have to take what God says in context of in the whole Bible,
Yes.
not just in context of what chapter.